Hi, welcome back to our channel. This is Pearl from Milesight product team. Today we'll be unboxing and demonstrating our brand new Q-series cameras. We've got all three models here: bullet, turret, and dome. As you can see, they now come with eco-friendly packaging. Let's unpack them one by one and see what's inside.
Inside the box, we've got some accessories first. Here are some expansion screws, a screwdriver, a waterproof connector, the quick start guide, warranty card, and a perforation-assisted sticker.
And here is our camera itself. This is the turret version. We also have the dome and the bullet version. If you need a 24/7 full-color camera with audio and visual deterrence, whether for retail store, residence, campus, or etc., our Q-series is your best choice. Now, let's dive into the details. As the name implies, the series features 24/7 true color, high-quality images. f1.0 aperture and 1/1.8-inch large sensor lay the foundation for true low-light performance. Even in the near total darkness, down to 0.0008 lux, the camera can also capture vibrant, full-color images without supplemental lights on. It's also equipped with Milesight's self-developed AI ISP with a precisely crafted day-night co-focus lens. With these features, the cameras can ensure a stable image performance up to 4K in any lighting conditions. Another key feature of Q-series cameras is the on-guard defense, powered by smart hybrid light system. Imagine someone suspicious sneaking into your property. How can you stop them before anything happens? Good news is, the Q-series cameras are ready to handle that for you. All Q-series cameras come with red and blue warning lights for visual deterrence. The turret and the bullet version are equipped with dual microphones and a built-in speaker for real-time audio alerts. These are the hybrid LEDs. They function as both IR and warm white lights to ensure image quality in any lighting conditions. When a suspicious event is detected, the camera will automatically trigger flashing light and sound warning, while recording the whole event in full color. Don't worry about any false alarms. With our upgraded VCA 2.0, common missed triggers in industry like insects, animals, raindrops, and shadows are intelligently filtered out with impressive precision. Q-series cameras are also packed with advanced AI functions from NSense to make decisions even smarter. And if you are using a third-party VMS, integration is seamless, with full support through plugins, One API, and OnWave protocols. Beyond its smart features, our Q-series also shines in design. The dome and bullet models featured a robust 3-axis base, allowing precise angle adjustment during installation. The dome model also adopts a clamshell design, makes installing and wiring easier, and also provides better heat release. In fact, you can complete the whole camera installation process with just a single screwdriver. Next up, let's see how to get things running from the back end.
The Q-series offers 4 lighting models under the smart hybrid light system. You can find them in camera setting, media, image, general, day-night switch, and select the one that best fits your needs. The camera will then automatically activate the appropriate lighting based on your selected mode: ambient brightness, lighting sensitivity, AI event selecting, etc. The camera is by default Smart Switch mode. In this mode, the camera stays in IR at night to avoid unnecessary lighting, but automatically switches to full color with white light when a set event is detected, balancing clarity and energy efficiency. If you prefer to avoid white lights completely, IR mode gives you a quiet option. With the large aperture and sensor, the camera can still deliver color images under starlight. White light mode, on the other hand, keeps the warm white light on during nighttime, ensuring full color footage at all times regardless of ambient light. And for specific needs, there's also an off mode to disable both IR and white lights entirely. For the on-guard defense setting, go to Event. Select the event type you want. In Alarm Action, you can enable event recording, audio, warning light, and other actions. Once the specific event is triggered, camera will run the enabled actions automatically. If your project is sensitive to the warning lights, just leave them disabled. To customize the red and blue lights, go to Event, Basic Event, Warning Light, where you can adjust the flash mode and the frequency based on your needs. With more Milesight cameras rolling out across the world, centralized device management in large projects is becoming a challenge. To make things easier, we built the Milesight Device Portal. It's a cloud platform built for operation teams to manage Milesight devices remotely at scale. It will be launched firstly with our Q series. Let's take a quick tour through the main modules in the Milesight Device Portal. Dashboard gives you a real-time snapshot of your projects and devices, like online/offline status. Under the Device tab, you can check device details, edit configurations, and most importantly, batch import new devices for fast deployment. In the Resource section, you will find configuration templates and firmware packages to simplify ongoing setup and maintenance. The Task Center is where you can create tasks for batch configuration or firmware OTA upgrades, whether for a single device or an entire fleet. And finally, the RPS module lets you create pre-configuration profiles even before devices go online. Once the device connects to the network, it will automatically fetch and apply the right settings. No more manual setup needed. Okay, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Hope this video gives you a clear start with the Q series and Device Portal. For more tips and updates, stay tuned. And don't forget to hit follow or subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye!